Hey everyone, welcome back. So imagine starting your investing journey, especially as a beginner or a young person. Without a steady income, investing can feel a bit intimidating. The idea of putting a large chunk of money into the market seems risky, and honestly, most people just aren't ready for that yet. So what do we usually look for? Cheap stocks, penny stocks, something affordable to just get started and dip our toes in the world of investing. But here's the catch. Most cheap or penny stocks are trading at low prices for a reason. They are often financially weak, and that's a trap many beginners fall into. You end up investing in something that looks affordable but doesn't have strength to survive in long term. That's why today's video is super important. I have handpicked three fundamental strong stocks, all trading under 100 rupees. That could be a great starting point for a new investor. These are companies with solid financials, and while they are still affordable, they actually have the potential to perform well in future, helping you build not just returns but also confidence in your investing journey. On that note, let's get into it. So before moving to the stock, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more such analysis. Okay, so the first stock we got is JTL Industries. Established in 1991, JTL is a manufacturer and supplier of various steel tubes and pipes, including ERW tubes and pipes, galvanized steel tubes and pipes. So they basically have a coating of zinc that makes them more durable than solar module mounting structures and some hollow structures. These products are used in construction, solar projects, agriculture, water distribution, and some other core infrastructure applications. This gives a picture of companies' manufacturing facilities with two in Punjab and one in Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh each. Company has over 2,000 employees and 1,000 plus distributors and retailers. It has 1,000 plus SKUs and global footprint in 5 continents and 20 plus countries. Some of its major clientele include strong names like Tata Power, Sterling and Wilson, Sustain, which are its direct clientele. Also, clients via distributors include Indraprastha Gas, TRF, NTPC, ABB, Bharat Heavy Electrical, Suzlon, Power Grid, Siemens, L&T, Hindustan Petroleum, Ashok Leyland, Mahanagar Gas, Indian Oil, and so on. Such reputed clients tell everything about its product quality. And as we are aware about the infrastructure development in India, where government has clear focus in improving road network, airports, and railway network. Also, the real estate, both residential and commercial, are on full swing. Also, government has focus on affordable housing, building logistic ecosystem, and water sanitation. And GTL is very well positioned to benefit from this trend of requirement for structural tubes and pipes. If you look at numbers, JTL Industries has increased its revenue from 88 crore to more than 2000 crore. Especially in last 5 years, revenue has gone up by almost 10 times. Even the net profit has gone up from 8 crore to 113 crore. That's almost 15 times jump in profits. Also, it has improved its margin from 2 to 3% to 7 to 8%. JTL Industries is currently trading around 70 rupees against a market cap of around 2,700 crore with P of 24 and price to book of 2.3. Also, company has a negligible debt with debt to equity of 0.04. So, considering these points, there's surely a good comfort in valuations. So the next stock is Motherson Wiring India Limited. Established in 2022 after Motherson Sumi announced demerger of its business in two entities, Samvardhana Motherson International Limited and Motherson Wiring India Limited. Motherson Wiring India is a leader in Indian wiring harness market. It's a joint venture with two parent companies with Samvardhana Motherson holding 33.43% stake in the company and a Japanese company Sumitomo Wiring Systems holding 25.10%. Sumitomo also holds 9.37% stake in Samvardhana Motherson. Motherson Wiring India has clients with names like Maruti Suzuki, Tata Motors, Mahindra, Toyota, Ashok Leyland, and so on. In terms of business segment, company's 58% revenues come from passenger vehicles, 14% from two-wheelers, 12% from commercial vehicles, 10 from off-road agriculture and farm equipments, and 6 from others. If we look at numbers, revenues are up from 3,900 crore in FY21 to more than 9,000 crore currently. Profits have also consistently grown from 396 crore to 632 crore. Company has a debt to equity of 0.17, which is quite comfortable, and both ROE and ROC are on higher side. Company is currently trading around 58 with P of 42. So valuation wise, Motherson Wiring India looks attractive. So the final stock is Jamna Auto Industries Limited. Company has 62 to 65% market share in commercial vehicle and OEMs in domestic market. It's a renowned suspension manufacturer with a diversified product portfolio including leaf springs, parabolic leaf springs, air suspension, lift axles, Z spring, and some various type of suspensions. Jamna Auto has a strong clientele with names like Tata Power, Ashok Leyland, Force Motors, Mahindra, Volvo, Bharat Benz, and so on. Company has a wide aftermarket network with 300 plus distributors, 11,500 plus retailers, and 15,000 plus mechanics. Now let's go through the numbers very quickly. Company has been consistently growing its revenues and profits at a very healthy rate, where revenues are up from 980 crore to more than 2,400 crore, whereas profits are up from 28 crore to 205 crore. In last few years, company has also been able to improve its margin in spite of high inflationary environment. So currently the stock is trading around 87 with P of 19. Company also has a healthy dividend yield of 2.7%. It has also got good ROE and ROCE with ROE of 24.5% and ROCE of 30.7%. So in no possible way the stock is overpriced. So I have covered one more bonus talk in my community post section. Do check it out. If you found this analysis helpful, do like the video. Now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.